be formulation near then a do level be from
I feel they now do share brush when some now wako wanim ya da sepa now wako secondary school
Pope John inti after
Saint Benedict
me call Pope John the man me call Pope John he said that time no not you choose schools before BC you know inti school no be choose our parents beba now I'm only headmistress about it now inti me school and I'm person me choose and I'm not shy to say it was St. Augustine's
okay
ti me call St. Augustine's Mrs. Kato sing uncle St. Augustine's and you know,
one can reason so
okay me count
okay Mate I say
uncle St. Augustine's so you know she made the case me my mom school for ti my me no so okay no because our child Ghana secondary school near then onim kofoedu teachers ni bebre onim Pope John so
okay
yeah Catholics so into why not say yam family Pope John into your mommy choose Pope John
okay and no
me prepare to go to Pope John ti time me could do Pope John me kai Pope John na your copy card no GS for office na ya be church or board no so ti me call me distinction across 12 ones
wow
and usually not 12 ones for you don't na science na other ones
yeah the maba general no
me call you the mako share science I'm saying nehi
mempe
me science there mempe because I'm a developer strong interest in business
okay
into me say me business into for first 1 month no cry no dey make a science class no cry na am man per science
no o call na we biology ni chemistry ni physics no
ade am chi cry ni say how titration no 2 3 meter 4 pentane
who so cry
ho na nya me lie
and as me per business
na me per business because earlier na me mama to book be am rich dad poor dad
okay
I mean yes. books
no, yeah
and me kind book no I was fascinated
me book no me share say man you me drum finfia na me jaye
me exciting book and book no fascinating me about kwan rich dad no na otumi structure na niam o creative value ade na obe produce ade na 2 cedis and I say we dey fan say 2 cedis no aton 5 cedis no yam fa so 3 cedis it is open more sika no abe decide volume or person ton
yeah
now physical no benya no de bi boanko no de bi ade as against poor dad na no need any say massa my co school we are pedjuma
yes
corporation and I found it fascinating. It's business and I'm person here so later then they moved me to business because business no na you must back your friend no something
okay
my nickname no any
something no
something not or elective math
okay
no your mammy adamfo ka say so also we o person ko Cape Coast University ko economics your man any elective math and count that time na Pope John your business course na elective math and count
okay
it me normal business course ni and you know mako education me fee akwa elective math
oh
into yetro wasi 2020 no 2000
okay
you register me for wasi me penny business student many business for true you business for coffee no me science and science for na me no mo
tro elective math because it is I am foul
and I mean 5 A's 3 B's
wow
your mommy admission will Cape Coast University to do Bachelor of Commerce
okay
Jason me later mama so to say based on my example no more the elective math I
can't business course no wow
I think before he died he explained that was what they were doing and I met students no more
almost so
and I call Cape Coast University call Bachelor of Commerce
okay
into economics accounting finance business management
wow
I don't know call Cape Coast University for 4 years I made my first degree
okay nani obi bebusa say obi a we business person na wako university akoye business ye ka ye hu na nka trading ni ade na nam freight forwarding money ade na wo pede wo media nim
well the first answer is actually 2013 na me be a business West Brownstone Capital
before answer na obeba media no
Debbie
okay
that was just at the time I may be free media
anymore okay
na me be West Brownstone Capital
okay
to 2023 nearly 10 years na me adoma according to my fine trading business no
oh okay
in fact eboa me pa but there a cover we buy and say me call school no me work Cape Coast no me started businesses kakra campus
okay
one of the businesses I started in a campus newspaper and a campus exclusive
okay
inti me fa omo an pay media juma no fa ombo mu na me pay capital kakra in fact okay back story you real level 100 no level 2 na me ne bomba nyina ye call UK that time na bomba di kan wo UK no soja mo UK nti me kokot na nchen wo UK Ntina me construction.
Okay.
Bonko. Yeah, cause was cement kakra during the day. Na Junuma ko security.
Okay.
Enti ye juma kakra nti every vacation na me koye nti sika kakra me nya me buy no na me be start businesses kakra bi o campus.
Campus one
nti ba ko no ye campus newspaper.
Okay.
Campus exclusive. Nti ho na me be fa ani osabute mu ne nkeka no ade nyina be share me newspaper ni mu ana omo chro ma me na ya ton na me so ma ba kra be pay adverts.
Now they are back betum.
You are na me tete obi aka na me
nti now ton newspapers no campus level 200.
Ye fa enkwala ibi ana ene nam campus one pempam tade show ma na call room by room ni ade kokoton newspapers ni ade.
Wow.
Nti na menya me kakra wo ho.
Okay.
Na eno no ene ma media boys na ne campus no. Me no be fine.
Okay.
No already time na me wo Pope John no. There were some Saturday programs bi or radio, Saturday FM Radio Z nti o mo aye konam ho. Nti madam for baako the lady Giginyo. Say ono head of marketing or FBN Bank.
Okay.
Ti ono na o catch Mr. Kofi Usu say minim guy be or a very entrepreneurial, the communications are very good. Your Pope John no a very good or Cape Coast University say manim be attachment to Joy FM I say. Nti the lady did not let me call e na Kofi Usu the master and dogbe. I know
yes.
And me year internship. I me year no my enjoy baby nti me ja hokoy but I did my best.
Okay.
Nti me ja hokoy. Na ye be wie Cape Coast University. Sometimes I was students in free enterprise. A campus business group. Bobo Escano near the business.
Okay.
Into for example, time I hope John, Nami wo junior achievement at the beginning of the year. No, your Bobo Escano as a capital.
Okay.
Maybe I say a writing pad with school stamp near there also. You per se a t-shirt and a scarf near there. Into you be investing in some money at Thomas students. You go taco near there t-shirt, polo shirt. You the from the arts visual art students.
Okay, na mo de oma ye designs na mamo.
Ye tiom kania de. Ti we ne ton ne nya profit a. Term no so ne a committee ne a chiska no.
Okay. Wow.
Ti me ba Cape Coast me be join a student in free enterprise. Ne the same thing. And no na e de ba annual student in free enterprise competition wa Accra.
Okay.
Na Mr. Kwesichu multimedia or ye judge. In fact, sa da no Kwesichu no a judge.
Okay.
Ena Mr. Gomado on so for British American Tobacco.
Also a judge.
E ho na ye ba ya ye be a presentation. You started presentation ne pe and a PowerPoint no call off. Yeah, na we trim say omu wie mu male gon for. Nti e call off ari him so.
Oh, we wie male gon for.
Because they be gon for na dey win.
Yeah.
But na me ye project coordinator or Cape Coast University SIFE based on the anama ye was senior high school. Ene me be ye wa say. Nti project ni na minim.
It's a wo trim dada.
Trim. Eno ne asema na wo kan no sa story na me kan Joy FM no. Nti eno na fe ma Mr. so bi ensa abotre. Kofi first project I na da no so ye Gary value enhancement project. Ye ne say unse to kra me kai. Ye ne say no so e ma na ton Gary wo duakro no. No mo de olunka na de ne sa. Nti ma volumes no wo form. Nti e packaging machine nke kan na de na de brewom. Say ne on betumi enhance value no ma turn at a higher price. No mo tete machine ne ka no mo tua kakra wo so okay Kofi me da say. Sika hina yedi shemu na Kofi aka you ndi nya no aka okay yenko this particular project ye any saying nti me me colleagues no
na ubusa mo o gather information
live on the set nti tam ye wie ye no me say Cape Coast University ye win yenko Spain yenko represent Ghana nti hona kwesichum frame say bra e kwan on fa so yes ade we say no
nwanwa
obetumi aye adwuma wo multimedia na me say multimedia me ma ye internship wo
no kra wonnim so be internship wo hokọ
no say okay nti we are national service bra sa dan e ho na Mr. Gomado so frame no say me pe leadership and skills no nti me so me ma adwuma wo British American Tobacco.
Wow.
Timinya two jobs
that same day no
and the two jobs no were because of adwuma na maye. Nti dey be say na many young people ne kasa argument say try and be of service.
Okay,
SOMPA na SOMPA no e some because wo some no bi be hu.
Yeah.
Na ka say boy we.
Oh yeah there.
Ma me fa bibi nche nsa. Because me say adwuma na me ye Cape Coast me ye wo Pope John no. Eno na ma emu ye me da me ko Cape Coast me koto aso.
Yeah.
Eno na ma ye ba national competition Mr. Kwesichum.
Emu na
eni Mr. Gomado mu nyina.
Na ehu wo amu ye.
Ti omo fa me two jobs. Sadana
I don't cram a PowerPoint no a call off
na ye school. Your final year.
Omo level 400.
Level 400.
Munya nwie school class no wanya office me yenu e wo ho a we say we and was we your national service we abra.
In fact, now almost say two ni na say member started with national service.
Be national service e wo mo ho. Wow.
Enti meje British American Tobacco national service no. Mr. Gomado my 5 years national service. And I am a treasury analyst. Enti ho na me accounting na me finance from school ni na me use. And I'm sign G say me part time Kojo FM. Enti anopa no me Kojo FM be 5 a.m.
Okay.
Ni akoye ejuma dia be business news no be 8.
Okay.
You business news no be 8:30 a. Na me di me
ka no sa ko tobacco.
British American Tobacco akako starting me full day job. I ko pim 5. Me pon 5 na ma san Russia ba joy.
Okay.
About be business on news night no.
Okay.
It is na me starting national service. But by the time we national service no. Na British American Tobacco for mam ye juma full time as a treasury analyst. My mom tell us so. Juma near me they met me but me wo joy gig we say so.
Yeah.
So okay. Martin Nintri on no me head of finance. No so. Met me aye.
Okay.
Nti na me ye juma mienu.
Nti na wo ba join na o sa ye juma wo ho. O ye no mienu nyina. Nti wo wie school am compare juma ho.
David, me nya 2 jobs. But it's hard 2 jobs na your sum na.
Your sum na memo aka. Sum no ho asem because young people be brace. What this generation o wie school na ope wo pe bibi lucrative bibi me pe de be ma me car de be ma me office as en 10 but all the no dey lead to sa 2 opportunities no eye osom ka esom wasem kakra say be a young person bi obi wa wo wie school sabe okuta ne degree obi awie ne masters okuta me wo office Nkrumah timi banti akosia fam adwuma anti eye few people no bitimi. I remember I met some young lady bi o say pacha wo de wo ko ba bi ama me mesom wo wo de wo ko ba bi ama me wo ko speaking engagement bi ama me mesom wo keke na me say gay we ye obi aba but who say opportunity bi any ho no say no I want to find a way to serve it can service one some kakra kire
2 stories that will exemplify Abranti bi say you're a general manager of a TV station ABC News.
Okay.
Bra me one Ministry of Information no obey the national service or so you banking or school so obey national service for her. But now the private idea and say uchicha photos.
Okay.
Tidabako, your office. This is right after President promoted me to minister. No, your office na call back from Jubilee House. Say, yes, Minister, be am funny portrait picture and brand the next 1 hour. Hey, mini portrait picture, and I'm gonna say yaba. Ti, me sorry for me you are me PA me reception who na me catch am say, yes, mincha portrait picture, mini portrait picture. And be a young kosu, young konkochebi. Na girl bako. Say, oh, my national service colleague be was say, uchicha photos.
Hey,
my friend Mbra. Your friend Bremi George. Me or picture be me she suit. 2018.
Yeah, me who sa picture na efe pa. A bit ma hwehwe ma me na fatos an ti akonwa achi an. Was so ne say an why you say.
O twa picture no bako pe no twa. Ono ani camera no twa. To try me send the call e na omo use for know your ministers we na no mo print no. After that picture efe when you try am say George ni try. Me also na afi me ton sa friend am say tell me about can school or call you banking near there. So no be you banking there better information ministry then I say so national value okay no problem. Till call e. No by 1 week no ba no so honorable. Me notice bibi that there no so me notice who need photographer. Into who need bibi. Me camera me use no bujo bi. Pachonka ubetumi ato camera we any lens we any sa battery we bi amamia.
Ebia mamia.
Enka ba bia obeko bia no medi wachi na metwitwa pictures ama. Na dey aye wo Facebook ni keka oni ade. But me news ka rather na mesro say weekends me so metumi di camera no akwa
ye
ejuma weddings photos ni keka oni ade. Na me say okay be ti me fa no na me watch no be 3 months na me share den to aneka me say obeja
na so obekoso aya
ye ko tamale ye ko himfa ye ko Nigeria ye ko himfa obedi mechi bekwa kujutwa photos ni ade nya. After 3 months na me start to aneka apart from the national service na me am to aneka after 3 months. Could you believe say out of that no that back me one of the proposal by so ni photography you know ni na for my head level be so on bezo mo be a company enti on be photography ni nkeka ho ni ade enti yempe investors be more on ni ade me nko phone back me no kasa ni enti omo be a photo studio photography company omo ye nkeka ni ade say why am obi afa na adwuma as general manager of a TV station
obi a was chance here with that portrait picture no wo twama wo no.
Yes. I mean, second story. Na me ye campaign 2020 campaign. Ye kwa bi ase. Ewo me persuaso ye campaign. Young lady bako ofi Nkrumah nyina ase. me na me share nim youth be brave into me share nim or share ni t-shirt be gina pick up na chinti e ko ekra bi ase e kwa no nipa no so be brave nipa be fan say 40 50 ene e no me share odu ase na ye kasa na maame abro ba ko fi e fo mu ba oso ni gya no kransuo ti girl no me hu ye na se me no me gina so say na me kasa e na nipa no say me hu ye na girl na CF bebe e wo no di me ka call bebe maame no wo no koje maame no ensuo ene ni gya no di ko gya no ofie to we no buy ti etna come your back fee na me bisa me boys na say sake wo ye hwan a no mo kire me say hwan na me say ntun san fe conference wo ye hwan o si o Cape Coast University hey obi university student ena what here say wa koso agya ni nsuo nkaka san say dem say okay e dey course na o ye sonography
okay
o my the sound image ni ade so okay ti say dem pa na o here dem pa na mitumi abo no so here laptop na me to laptop man say onyenko school Oji koye 1 year after semester na me free bisa say the results decided by very good grades na me say I'll put you on my scholarship.
Wow,
put you on my scholarship nti we sonography no we no national service we want to be home me say when you admission to medical school na me say put her on the scholarship you bet you any school fees for her to become a medical doctor. Hey awesome
oh who say maame ne ba no like when you saw that thing you know this girl is different.
All I saw that was her application.
Yeah. Who said this girl is different? We were down so because obi who invest in who mama bi no see no akwaje ne niema any ade de no there is something extraordinary
into their mechanic say osom pano.
Yeah.
Maybe sorry we youth who are sorry youth programs here was so near na do ho ahim.
Yeah.
Osom zika say ba bi pro nti wo ba nkonwa ye yin.
Nti unde we de na wo ye no so on nam ho sa.
We clean why ye wo ye no pani bi wo mu a ote ho.
Yeah.
That's all.
Oshe is true.
To ochina bi kra na say oh idea bi na bibi na wo ba na ka so wo fa me ye say ni say so because wa ma hwe wo me hu nti kakra metumi aka kire
efa osom no ho no dia wo ko dia meka asori na lady bi obi ewo a me fan say nkrofo ba asori no mo mesu a na waje wo mo no de nkwada na hye wo machi o maji nti nkrofo say obi be super o fa na ma me fa na ma say be obenya kwan enjoy the service because akwada bi wo ha o ka so onko children's onko onu so na wo ha eti ogina asori gate na no ya na waje one day be woman be for US by and oje ne ba no and the woman was impressed because normally nka obe ha adwene sana nkofo oshers bi ye tiatia woni ade eti so obe je me ba hwamia wonim se na me ka se wo US ma me de ne koe oso onko hye ne ba onko hye ne ba ma no eti ana se young people ni bebre opede akesiem but osumu a osumu no kra anya bia wonya experience bi because ade ne kra no usua no bibi o ha na wonim ubenya skill bi. Yes.
Any expensive mistakes. Now we to me are correct. And our penny be our guide. No chinebi no. Ono so when gidi o mu de wasi simpie bi so. Or do simpie bi so afi by that time no I experienced.
Wow.
Nti de kakra me to me aka kire me nua no mo yeti me ni say. Unya opportunity asom.
Some
Ebebe epon.
There's
value in service.
And che make a short commercial break but ansana no na mama it because said o mu si frefre. Omo frefre sa na makate ma me hwe na wonim se da chi bi obeba be politician.
Debi if I know na me ni young man bi mentorship session na me ka chrom say na me ka osom we ho asem na second thing I make so ne say build capacity bi o wa build ya wonim de ba be because me abra me sua accounting finance economics wo Cape Coast University.
Yeah.
Na me nim that ba be ranking member on economic committee of parliament. Me nim that.
But ene ho ba mfaso
brutal. Abra me started ejuma ojo FM Komladumo Echo BBC.
Yes.
Can I be that I'm not no general manager and they don't know CEO or chamber of mines.
Yes.
Or frame your car say me morning show. In fact, many ni Nkrumah am kan na midday morning show there dey. Enza na full program na me. I said there be nti Joada obeba. This was Sunday.
Yeah.
Na me say mate. Joada na mama. Ti me ba no pa na me be me business report. Ti me wie no. Me fi studio na Komladu morning stand go say enya woni eso ba be morning show no. Na me say na dey o mo serious. Kona ko hu ashigbe ti me san ko ashigbe ona ashigbe say serious yeah discussing be very until so start Tuesday na me start here me start morning show anko ye kra me kai me first interview back Charles Rekubro be Tarzan ade ode ye me who be say question no be say question
obedi ujumo baba
who be say question no be say question I said a question na be say no One new one. This was at a medumano Misha Dantia.
What fed up for?
Brami Kai Bennett from Pong. I know me producer at the time. Bennett Asamano can say, you are as good as tomorrow's show.
Yeah.
Don't rest on the past success. You are as good as tomorrow's show. To the no idea now. Prepare for China. Anyway, yeah. Now when Obekaya 2009, 2010, NDC winning power no more try Charles Rekubo Biao. Ene Kojumpi
yeah.
On Ghana at 50. Tia call court na Justice Mafusao a ball case ni guye. Now lawyer Odi assembly friend Unikulendi. Sat I'm not a lawyer, no judge of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Ti news ni breaky by 1 o'clock we I say court se case ni foolish case on Munkono. Ena Egbert Fable. Ono boa with research no or frame me. Say no, me na my friend. Now I'm saying a copy of the judgment. No, send me a copy. Tiana, you know me, Dini Babasa. No, my friend bet. Na bet. Actually, me call law school.
Yeah.
Inti anopano Unikulendi by. Ena Victor Adaudu, Attorney General, but
yes.
At the time, a smart man by inti omino. Ti ase me na me jaja. Me ti akunya. Na me told me book case ye court. Na me ye court through. Ti we na Kulendi bizam say. Now what law school dana? I'm saying law school mean tremble anymore crowd. No say also call law school.
Oh no, can't such
because we have natural understanding of the structures of the law. It's called law school. The Kulendi na me call law school. Time me call law school. Na me name say me emrashe bejeni me use law no or other things.
Wow.
And now I say ibi ani o me na say no check article 1815 international economic transaction. But I quote him just say, hey, now what do you constitute baba? But I was at time me time Kulendi
call law school no one name said that she be obey emrashe bejeni.
Time acquisition car say brabe edmo joy.
No one name say obey radio presenter.
But time Akufo-Addo car say member information minister fi na o communication background any law no
and then so here ni na can bo
general me Nkrumah ni din komo na ka say capacity in there build when opportunity to learn something I learn
yeah
build your capacity.
Na say build your capacity akwanya build the suade sa
consume
suade sa
nimu da
ehun be hia
enti na enime ni so say me ba be politics in the accident me die joy FM adwuma in fact, interestingly, me call law school we no, me LLB ni we no, and openi ba kutu me for say, me suspend the adwuma no Joy FM. Na me call Mokola. Satan Mokola na omo allow my own year, you know, me call Mokola. Ti me call Mokola, guess lecture ba ko na ochre ade. Justice Mafusao.
Wow.
Go for the currency. Oh. Into ba me law firm a conference room no. You're dedicated to him say, and on the Mafusao conference room.
Wow.
Ti Mafusao and it too me for pa say listen law no enye say part time funny serious see by the time I me we ya me ka say me ne Justice Kulendi be adwuma because ono ma me call
law school no
ono
two for ma call
me call ye adwuma on a law firm na me ne Abuja na pon one law firm
okay
it was say niam no
ke kese when I say the only Abuja na pon one law firm
yes na Abuja me senior law firm ho
all right
enti sa time na mu na me decide say me take advice no na ma fa law no serious
yeah
enti me jai media juma
and na ma uja media juma
and ma me jai finally me jai anche bia na me mpanimfo fi ofon ase bai say MP na watena so 3 terms no o se onko biom nti ya hwehwe MP foforo me so that time na me patron na jai supporting
party kakra
me mfem media juma
yes
Tiana msi ene mu hia obi oye young obi oye articulate obi obetime ma ofonse ayire bi din na basro cause obi anti constituency ni din wa pre ma e din ma ne ma ba ti mu me nhwe bi na yentumi ene ne nkasa no mra no msi okay nti ye be kwa akoye search aba be 3 weeks later no mba e share o Men's Vic Hotel e was Legon kwesi adabi ye ne Aboaje no ye regional secretary for Eastern Region at the time ti ono convening meeting no ti etana no msi o manya bi na msi fine nti ye nkohwe ne nkokasa msi
wa
it be politics no by accident.
Politics no by accident. Almost say, "Hey, one year who's over
to me." Guys, I bring no many Dr. Otabo ko di nkomo, my wife di nkomo. My wife said, "Now obi a we say we jai radio." He said, "The obi nya time mama e we." So he say, "We don't want to go."
Politics in the Ajinsemu.
But
wow.
But maybe bia would mama me say me bia no. I give it my best.
Yeah, very interesting.
Then I went into politics. Inti tama na mi isi ayesa ani ma onyina. Na mi
nimu da. So one day.
Eba bi wi wa say.
Hey.
Da me kai na Akufo Addo frame na me Akufo Addo na eba no say me nko Supreme Court election petition no. Me nko spokesperson.
Yeah.
Na me Akufo. In fact na me Akufo Addo na frame.
Yeah. Show TV so pa. Mu ye ya no aba be chirechirem.
Me di me ka buy. So say me catch yourself time na me sua ade no na no na wo mani so na.
The be
but capacity no dey build it.
O build the capacity no.
Build there. They be buy e dey adwuma be show on sabon say capacity.
Capacity no ehun hia.
It is a one build there. Opportunity ne be ba no.
Na wontimi na say opportunity na say meet preparation. Why you well prepared, we are well equipped.
Thank you.
Enti sa emra no obi pese o ma wakwanya but ade no unni capacity no.
Yeah. Me wo we mente French.
Yeah.
Me need capacity to speak French.
Yes.
Say akoba bi na see oye po bi o te French man na be I don't have the capacity to. But nipa o fa French see me see to gan chere French man fa ne serious. Nipa o fa ne serious no. Obo so that capacity.
Say obetimi aye. Because me French teacher kwada na me sere ne pa. Because odu class no ka say bonjour me say ça va bien merci. Honorable very true pa because me kai say me wo despite media no me ko KN University me economics.
Okay.
Enti economics na me ye but na me wo media mu dada. Enti dey wo Kumasi. Ene ye ba Accra. Enti ye ba Accra no ena mba University of Ghana Business School. Me be MBA specializing in marketing.
Fantastic.
Na me nim say one day ye beba be me general manager.
Can you imagine?
Say me go through management but me say no let me build the capacity.
Yeah.
And I decide this okay now me nko ye masade.
Enka wanya
bia nipa no
opportunity number. Ye hwe o CV be ka so on air the oya the power.
Nanso
oni
skill ben
business
or
administration skill bia.
It's a very important point pa and one making no say youth no ye fan I say oh change so be opportunity be na ye ntentema ma wa o build your capacity and e betimi
yeah.
Ono bansa na make break no ma me fa we me fa my last question che me because here for person mo abusa question na fa me meja me de no
enkomo na ye de say wo share young people bebre a de ha wo mo no a shortcut to success say fraud aba 419 Nkrumah scamming internet fraud and no be corner youth for sometimes who can use crana raho or ma gather one place na or mo te ho sa no muskimu ama abeye big issue pa kese pa minim de obeka kire young people na say especially the young yenim say youth no doson Ghana your population youth no doson ba bebre na o eni da so bi eni ho mintimi nya hwe anya politics ya gise me koye say enti ama say sa path no and no more cover for themselves. Ya chichi biatum, e bi abrabo say, any some drugs. Be just say you to know, baby, namono. Honorable no de minim de obeka e de afa ho said be young person be tiewa. Na say impo make a decision to take that path. Obeka say no there be we any the right thing for me to do. Because me now for be young people, very young people. In fact, Obama officer the average age e me law firm be 35.
Wow.
Young people, enough for young people. Until me no didn't come up. The entire a lot of young people pay shortcut and they say, and they gonna have a shortcut is rewarded.
Oh,
that's the truth.
Shortcut is rewarded.
Shortcut is rewarded. Say traffic see. Now okasa obi di mu a, una abeche. Nipa no be na adwen say obe wo ha obe fa no, bo so no akwa akosi akire and obi anya ne hwe. And any society that rewards shortcut no, it incentivizes more of the people say you know shortcut. Because
they will be a yakoye share anto
okodi line mu na yede.
Yeah, intended no some fan change.
That is the first problem. And into ye wo to me, ye wo positions of responsibility no. I was see a kind who says sa de na ye the reward shortcut no. Say ye nyaya a race to the bottom. Society ne begu.
I best say
into first me first born in youth no.
Yeah.
Me the bebo ye wo positions of authority. Because ye na ye reward shortcut no. Me papa kwa Nkrumah ka chem se we nsua de na mpaase na ka se me nkofro bi
na me nya protocol ma wa
unya enka betene fe
eduma wani bre
we clear your mind say unya shortcut bi aho nti dia wa obe ya besori akon so society no continue to reward shortcut say we san say we de oye we ba we de oye we nipa we de oye nti yenye ni say manua obia be shortcut. Into yenya your positions of authority, positions of responsibility. I will say a clear system na ye design. And if we continue to provide rewards for shortcut there, nobody will go. Number 2, society a person called for quarantine pon personal society I was say encourage their boni friend meritocracy. Why na a merit? Why na ese
fantasy de bibi ma no
say you say dia ade
wonu no odie enye de kom de no
debi nti why na ade we say yes. Okay, nipa basis na what them ha say adwuma we say ye de ma omu ba ko no
ba we na ya ade on the deserve
why pa na adwuma we nim say hwe ni suban ni skill ni bibia ye de ma na obetumi aye na ye science ani pa kro no
ye de akoma
na ye si o akosi offer se ni ti ye fa ma no it is a one encouraging meritocracy in the society. Nobody will want to merit something.
Yeah.
And phobia a test be on it many years ago between socialism and capitalism. Say ye test na ka say obia mark obenyano. And only the man abona baswa. Kofo bomb who modern say ombenya mark kese. By ye test na ka say okay be anjuro unya 10, unya 2, unya 5. Yen kambom ni strike average. Ni chesa mark no mobia ni record ya. Me am we and me na my mom home
oh they cry na it dey na be shame crying it dey na be shame crying
into a society that doesn't encourage meritocracy na na abun senkwala no pick a shortcut me sorry say makoback
Matthias
but foundation no
and yeah because someone dealing with the foundation and anu no won't be fanya hwe
enti bi nuanu mrante ni mbebo ma shortcut no mete o ma say but they are make culture me say bibia so we so hwe sustainability
yeah
me you know
e beche
nti we metumi ya to aso the next 20 years ana
uswaka samo da ben me say dem internet afrodinipa any future
there be do the ka say android be na baba fa say ne wako wafa ho adi o chan wako wafa ho adi ade we future
there be
sustainable
there be
e be boat to ukuade wia on the streets nasa
asa
nti minuanom mrante ni mebu a because of senior system na be nti no shortcut ayo modern no mesrom say hwe sustainability fine ope car ope dan ope we and no nkomo ana me menti yidi na me ka chen say meti me 44 years so obeto say me twi V8 e ma na nya so so channel papa V8 ni be atwi
debi
because me started adwuma at the age of 24
yeah
my adwuma 20 years 20 years this obeto say me twi V8 that's 20 years of work. Including 10 years as a lawyer.
Yeah.
And about 10 more years as a journalist and a businessman.
Yeah. What's your business at Simple University?
Thank you.
Yeah.
In fact,
level 200
money nya say wo so ochna no pese wo ko wia obi wo ye document bi na odi konya na ntia no ye no okay fine ten na why wanya sa V8 no next week then abe. Next 2 weeks then abe. Obekoso abokro no sa obekoso aye fraud no sa obekoso aye shortcut no sa enye sustainable rather nipa no obeka se media dey am me person produce nsuo na me produce e cost me 90 pesos ma ton 1 cedi media da so ye 10 and then minya 100 10 minya 200 ono dey sustainable
yeah
ono na bi on to V8 ni no obeton V8 5 years time
yeah
but we build the system bia oton V8 ni wi a obesan to Maybach obesan to Maserati
yeah
because
you are building system na
sustainable system
and e wo ho
enti dia meka kire me nuanu ne say mete wase de enti a shortcut ayo there because system na ye design no e reward it me kan nanda
but yes
e dia dey make yen say da nye de young ladies here abe ne obeka say oh me de eja me share opoku me na starting kan kra 2 bedroom yen kika ne aden ontwi benz ntem
ampa but okofa married man bia why yes
publisher ono de okay ono crampo de aunt na obi aho and na obehuru yesi ha chawesi obehuru because of a benz obenya benz obenya back reference bone straight obenya ni na ni phone obeyi a che oni ade no what I say still wo many money
yeah
until the next 5 years then obey next 6 years then obey odi 40 45 na then obey
bibia tiegu no
but near we decide so many opoku ye fiase
yeah
what I say ye wo ye 2 bedroom bi opoku kosi mi adwuma mu one be family yakoyen tokwa kakra na next year be toka
yes
obo so no ya do ba bi a you're promoting in our baby.
And if any Debbie, and if any Debbie, you know, man, I've been with her.
Sustainability. And I make catch a million. So be you be a friend and yes, sustainable.
Say at the end of the day, when you're home for so, Nanya dear Nenwa me pen and 10 medine,
and then quite the end of the effort, but to be you
know, at here for Yenny honorable lawyer KojoOppongNkrumah time na so maybe 10 minutes na wafre na wo question bia na wabusa e 0260196064 and 0260196065 and ye tie no story my friend. Hello
Midofo.
Hey, me pa cha na dia bonetofa na dia me 1 minute me time. Aha, minti.
Katana bota ya chiane pa.
Odase.
Na oya die. Nkrumah sensem na odi amaye no. Yeti. Na misrewo onabo. Enti sese no. Also, why senya wo fe wa besi sabre no.
Ampacho.
Legacy pa na dachi se woni hwa. Ye beta se onabo KojoOppongNkrumah. Ono so sei na oye bo agana. Esi se mutu kwan ko. Eti ne pa show. Munye bibi amayo foni omayo foni na risika fo bebre no munye bibi se ne amutu kwan amuko hono le pacha mo tsu Ghana mayen na se de Ghana yebre
matenti dia wo kan say o se honorable mo meboa yate 0260196064 and 0260196065 hello me ba che fra wo say
I just unpack.
Hey, SOMPA choma meet you 1 minute.
Honorable, and I find that the more question.
Who are questioning me and no one pay? Oh, dear Bonnetel.
Honorable, again, young day there. Who make we buy it, but yeah. None of your property. A thing that will be cast the bank and the ground. Who will be in my catch there? Wait here, India, and yellow bread.
Yeah, that's it. And the blame game. And me umbenya kukudwa kano krese. Nipa we enyano kre. Okay, hello. Maybe I'm one of mami why not 1 minute bonnetel mami.
Thank you.
Me pacho won kasa no wo fom pa wo wadaroma.
Hello.
Okay, me pacho go ahead.
We are receiving for the past 10
Honorable minim say what the question now?
I'm say or cancer what are the measures are able to media support or more actually they are some training college.
Oh, okay, something okay. Me ba your question no. Okay, all right. Okay, also do mate. Thank you very much. 0260196064. Hello. Me pacho ma radio no nko from mama me so fra na wa ma feedback and modum radio na mama na. Mama pacho ma mintie o.
Hello.
Me pacho mintie o.
Akosia to abake.
Mami a time ninti be pacho ba me fa de o. Otwoso hello.
No.
Me pacho me nya be na me hia ni.
Mommy, mo ba peku ni.
Me pacho ma mintie o 1 minute mintie o.
Mommy, you papa say no say the custom game is discipline. No Bobo Bam, woman papa. The custom with the papa and discipline. Now, Ojan and Bayan or Jew, Bajan and Bajan, said you capra, dear Betano, near Sini Bay near the Napo. Near say, said you Yaman 15 years. I have no found when discipline and then then mommy, the guy, Sama, obviously, no cannot say, Gratia. Because then she will never know one of the percent you bread. A Saturday cup, yeah. Then I'm in Sada, Capon. Then I'm for my finger, the crack up. Now, mommy, you get that many years here.
Again, Mate, hello.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, me Pacho Frozen and Alfred Free. Joe, Pacho Maminti, you tell.
Program there, what power?
Yeah, that's it.
And the baby was the media.
Me that's
My Mr. People, Minister Hong, some of young people from Kakakra. But a good more from a shining facility. Now, what can it better than a very 2009? The Baba Seneca comes not better than Kojo and from the Kuku in the year. But with confidence, but I can't but not canon and not. Making the page in the mix, your family and I can cheat
Cabra Bonabebo with cheat, Mate, Medasepa, Memfadia Wabahele, me funny pabe 3 course nothing there. Yeah, me Pacho, why na Messiani? Yo, coffee, mammy too. Yes. Nyamiadum. Oh, that's it.
But I don't think I started again. I won't find because they say in Kuala,
okay. Okay. Mate. Omo Parliament ni ensam famra. Mate. Me fa last 2 calls. Hello.
Hello.
Me pa chomi ni abe na meshiani. And then there's what me atum ti maminti o. Hello. Yo, hello. Me pa chomo fran na wadum radio na mame why. It is a me you free. Hello.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. Me pa chomi mami be na meshiani.
Pacho Grace is sweating.
Yo, Grace, me pacho maminti wano pe.
Yeah, Papa. Papa could do Nkrumah. You must tell me how I can. You to free here at the one. They can't say, watching the now, woman and Kojo. Then some Kakana, Pamana, I made another people every other day. And to Nessa, but I said, that in my dear. I saw college and said, why did not the day and I said, what the big man is going to translate in a camera. Everybody baby na na di my day na
Mate abata no omunya abotre e wo mo ma ho mate me fa di o chat okra hello me pa cho e fo se mame
o me ma mi o aja abia ko
Mini abema ben meshiani
ni papa gata ni papa
uye papa o daddy ben meshiani
I mean the way SOMPA do I set it down Malam
Tema
Malam
Malam okay me ba
yeah I quote it down
mami tio
yeah do let the one say boy I tell you what you say yeah that's it I now me do some upon commercial no sana what is the mami so okay this is going to some the parliament won I am on the some contract no
e dey in parliament o mo konto kwa ho mate
I don't that
oh mehubi
no this is no alcohol am no then the parliament o mo konto kwa
mate me dance me brana so honorable pacho cause me to be fair what time na so because my mouth 70
last point no very valid say
okay
nti eba na say na parliament to be hu na indisciplined behavior so no correct and they're very worrying because you see and me they are having say and then kwala na ehwe TV
yeah
me tama like me catch your bank crying wo hwe GH mensamo ya asafo mafomo hakama wo so agema mo debate on the floor uno se unya opportunity be to debate that is what you aspire to be like. Se nen kwala no de omo hwe wo TV so ne se ye boblos wo parliament. Ye kasa by heart ye yi ne ade a eno no mbesua. Then what is the future of the democracy? They are very worried.
Yeah.
But asudi no so da fine wo de obetumi aka se wo de we disciplined. Ye bibia unko ye bi. But you see asudi no so da omo a tumi krom se omo be enforce discipline.
Okay.
In parliament, any across society. So almost now you hear high na say asuban no koso. Now there are no consequences. There any na kwala na bisua. Into parliament be ban the next 30-40 years in a day.
Any ebeye obi be say ano be dey
to me show mon san no they should enforce discipline.
Okay.
I know na metumi aka.
I found. Okay.
Me jidi say em say your discipline come on aton come.
I to be I discipline.
Any ba ku bisa say then ye be abo teachers mo person mo call training college ni ade. Patronchi bia e be start your manifesto home come ni ade.
Okay.
Politics in seven be more side.
Okay.
And ba ko so bisa question.
Em say no say as a muntimi enya kokodro nka no kre.
In fact, my simple answer is say who na choose who politicians are open. The politicians are here can no kre, omunye blame game, omunya kokodro e de no kre promote omo, support omo.
Okay.
Na mom say who support nipa wanim say we nkontompo na odi jandam na oye ni ade. Mo na mo create problem no society. No kusia.
Mate, me da simpacho wase me chat for cra final where say we ma obia etie for mo don pe wasem SOMPA for Nkrumah show which say o final.
Mesre min kai quotation ni ye but say bompaye ma Israel na Israel di ya.
Yeah, yes. Usubedi. Yeah.
Another scripture will say bompaye ma o mining penny for. Enti mesre etiefo nyina say nyabrena bompa ma mpanimfo edi o mine fiti president ba vice president ba speaker ba MPs communists ko judges na ade nyina so because society bia mpanimfo no nyankopon anya o madoman direct o mi na ombe toto ne ma basa no society na nkasa
ebre
uko Nigeria say they are part of the country untumi say what drive una mu keke e be kidnap process ya there are many places even here in Africa, Sudan, honing keka honi adea. Sani ya meno, inyafa hudi ni enam ye koto kakuru ni adea
unyanisa.
But ni neji na sani o mining penny mfuono. Across the divide, ebe to o mino. Ti, they are mess running piebo. Sabo mpaye ma o mining penny mfuoni na fiti. Openi na nkasa for the next 2.5 years. Otie janoso. Eko across central for penny mfuoni adea na. No nyankupon. Bible say, ohino na kuma. Nsem
baby o
chinchim ne senior pe no nyankopon na chinchim no na on fire be baby pa
me da se etiefo ye ne honorable lawyer Kojo OppongNkrumah and etwehwe nkomo ye da se SOMPA ye ni aso anope ya twe aba ye nim se wo call parliament wadwuma no dawson but to make it time no we really appreciate you nti ye ni aso pa anya me
it's my pleasure also
ye da se pa ye da se pa we can't wait to cry ye da se
If I